Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am super excited to come to you today with another DIY tutorial. It is going to be a classy and elegant piece for a masquerade ball. So if you would like to learn how to make this simple and elegant piece, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what you're going to need to make this piece. You are going to need these glasses from the Dollar Tree, the mask is also from the Dollar Tree, floral foam from the Dollar Tree, a boa, whatever color you would like, and that's also from the Dollar Tree. And then I have these ostrich feathers that I got from Amazon. And the tea light holders. They're from the Dollar Tree as well. And they come 2 in a pack. You're going to need 2 packs of these. Now, if you remember the previous video of the vase that we put together for the Trail of Roses, it was a Valentine's inspired centerpiece. And you can see it's very tall. You can see that. So I've just taken this and I'm just going to reuse it. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that, okay? So first thing you need to do, of course, is get your vase and get it level, adding your tea light holders, okay? And then what you want to do is place your you're going to place your floral foam. Sorry, got a little tongue tied there. Now this will fit just right in there, and it fits pretty snug, okay? So don't worry about this showing because we're going to cover that up. And that is where our boa comes into play. Now, the boas at the Dollar Tree are really not as thick. You can get them at Michael's. You can also find them at Walmart. And they're probably about $5 or $6 there. But like I said, this is a real simple, easy piece, and we're just gonna put it together, and it's not gonna take us that long at all. So using our glue gun, we're gonna start by placing that boa right on the edge of the glass there. And then we're going to take this all the way around. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's basically just going to be to cover up that floral foam. Now, if you want, you can take this around one more time and then go upwards with it. And I need another glue stick because I'm running out. Okay. And I want to leave some of this hanging. I actually wanted to leave more of that hanging, so what I'm probably going to do is to take another boa and add it to this because I want it to go around. Okay. So that's how that falls. And then all you have to do now is add your feathers, and you can place them however you want them to fall. So I'm pretty much going to put mine on the edge here because these are not the larger feathers. So I'll finish adding these and then I will add the boa here, and you're basically just gluing another boa to the end of this one, and then I'll come back, okay? So you see how elegant that is? And you can put as many feathers in there that you would like. If you want to make that a little fuller. And I've added my boa. You probably can't see that. See how long that is. And I want to tell you guys that I burned myself while I was doing that. So, but that'll be another bloopers reel for you. So now what we want to do is add our mask. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to be gluing my mask to, and it's going to go on. It's going to go on like so. So I'll just be gluing my mask to the base. But if you're going to be doing an event, you probably will want to use fishing wire because that's a clear line, and you can just feed that through and then tie it off in the back. And once you take your boa around, you're not going to see that fishing wire. So that would probably be the best way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started, and then I will show you guys the finished product. Okay, so guys, look at this. Is this not gorgeous? And it's so tall and so elegant. So guys, thank you so much for joining me for this very simple, very elegant DIY tutorial. I hope you guys will use this and make your own design. And please, if you do, post it for us so that we can see that. Um, so again, thank you for all the new subscribers, and all of those that have watched our videos. We have received some great responses. I'm truly, truly thankful, and we appreciate all of that. So as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.